Alright, bio folks, this is the third video for week 3. This is the last video. Your last few minutes with me here. I know, I'm sad. You're sad. We're all sad. So, going back down here to lipids, you are going to tell me in your table that the monomer is glycerol and fatty acid. I don't even care about the 1 and the 3. All I want to know is that you know that the two monomers for lipids are fatty acids and glycerol. Now, in terms of the polymer, it's not even on here, which is silly. It's something called hold. Figure out how to write here. Okay. It's something called a triglyceride, right? So you spell it, I'm actually going to move my face. Moving my face. You can spell it right here, right? Triglyceride. And that's the polymer for lipids. And this is things like butter and bacon grease and fat. They also make up our cell membranes, which we talked a lot about in the beginning of the school year, right? So the cell membranes of cells, they make up the cell membranes. So for your example, you can say bacon grease, you can say butter, you can say cell membrane, any of the above. Okay, so just to recap, guys, you were supposed to make this table, but you're only supposed to fill in this column. Again, I'm going to move my face. This column, the biomolecule column, and you're only supposed to include with the bolded words. You are going to include the monomer and polymer column, and you're going to tell me monomer is blank, polymer is blank for each of the 4 biomolecules. And then you're going to give me one example of a monomer and one example of a polymer for each biomolecule, right? So that's the plan. That is the first part of your assignment for this week, okay? I'm just going to go back to the directions. I've added a few things since the last time you've seen this. So going from the very, very beginning, guys, when you initially sign on to Schoology, at this point, you have the directions for the week, and it says click me first. You have Bio Video 1, Bio Video 2, this will be Bio Video 3, and you have the notes from Video 1, right? You have everything you need right here. So if we go back to my directions, so go to Schoology, open up the Week 3 Materials folder, watch Video 1. You can find it here, and it's linked to the directions, so you just have to click here. Watch the video. It says step 2, once you watch the video and start making the biomolecule table. I've linked the biomolecule table too. Look at that. That's right there. You can watch video 2 here, and I'm going to link video 2 right there, where I finish the lesson for this week's learning target. You're going to watch one more video here that will go over my expectations for this week's assignment. That's this video. Take a picture of the biomolecule table that you make and either email it to me or text it to me or send it over to Schoology. If it's easiest for you to text me, that's absolutely fine. You just have to go into my syllabus and get my phone number, or email me and get my phone number, because I'm not going to put my phone number on YouTube. Sorry. Not gonna happen. So you're gonna take a picture of that table, and that is the first half of the work for this week. And then you are gonna answer the following 4 questions completely, and that's the second half of the work for the week. You finish these questions, you are done, you get sticker 2. So to recap for the class right now, guys, you need to finish the notes for so if I actually go to the very start of the bio folder, like this is as soon as you log on to Schoology and you click bio, if you haven't finished last week's stuff, it's all up here in the purple folder. If I click on it for last week, you do the assignment and you take a quiz. I have to give you access to that quiz. Please let me know when you're about to take it. I also have to tell you that you're ready for it, right? You can't just take the quiz without doing the assignment. So as soon as you pass that quiz, you get your first sticker, and I will send you a sticker via email. And then you can pat yourself on the back, yay. And then you can go down to week 3, which is green, and that's this week. In this folder, you have the directions you're going to download. Remember, you're going to copy those directions. You're going to paste them into a new document. You're going to put your name on that document, and you're going to share it with me. You're going to watch all 3 of the videos, and you have the notes here too. Okay? Once you turn that doc in, or not turn it in, but tell me you're finished with it, then you get your sticker for Learning Target 2. We're going to keep on moving. Please email me, call me, Schoology me if you have any questions about the last 2 weeks. You guys are making progress. I know this. It's been great work, but I know a lot of you still haven't finished the quiz. So please, please, please contact me to get that stuff, to get last week's stuff done. All right. I hope you guys have a good week. Please contact me if you need me. Peace.